Hi guys, welcome to another video. So as you can see, we have had a parcel come from Temu. So for those of you that's not heard of Temu, Temu is an online marketplace and they sell pretty much everything, guys, from nail stuff, beauty stuff, to homeware, clothing, shoes, automobile stuff, pet accessories, arts and crafts stuff, garden items. They literally sell everything. And depending on what country you're in, it's also tax-free and you get free shipping as long as if you spend over £10. Everything is just super, super affordable. So for those of you that are new to Temu, guys, those of you that haven't downloaded the Temu app yet, if you click the link that's pinned in my comments, install the Temu app to your device, you will get a £100 coupon bundle. Also, if you place an order, use the code what's also pinned in my comments, pop that in at checkout, and you'll get a massive 30% off your whole, wow, fat tongue, blah, blah, blah. You'll get a massive 30% off your whole order. So that's well worth taking advantage of. But that only applies to new users, guys. So what I'm going to do, like I normally do, is I'm just going to pop the bag to the side of me and I'm just going to pull things out and show you what we got. Everything that I'm going to show you today was dirt cheap. I found some real bargains to share with you. So, shall we get cracking? Right, first item up is, ooh, it's a ring. And this is well pretty. Guys, look at this ring. How cute is that? I love that. And it's resizable as well, so you can make it bigger or smaller. It is beautiful. I really, really like that. Love it. Ooh, we've got some more rings. So these ones are gold. You'll see as well, guys, like I always do, I'm going to pop the price of everything that I paid in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. So we've got a gold one. So this is a pack of 4. So we've got this one here. Gorgeous. I really like these evil eyes at the minute. Oh, these are all like evil eye rings. So we've got this one. Well, that's not an evil eye ring, but hey. Guys, look at those. How cute are they? I love them. They're so pretty. I love these little dangly ones. They're well cute. Well happy with them. Again, really, really cheap. But even though they're really cheap, the quality is really good on them as well. I mean, look how shiny those crystals are. They're ever so sparkly. Same with the charms. I've bought quite a lot of charms off Temu now, and they've all been really good quality. What else we got? We've got some... Oh, I've been dying for these. So these, you get a pack of 50. These are swatch rings to put your swatch sticks on. But they're little mini ones, because I really need to sort my swatch sticks out. I've got way too many on the big rings. So I thought I'd get a pack of 50 again because they was really, really affordable. So we've got those. We've got some clear swatch sticks. Now I don't know what's going on with these swatch sticks just lately, guys, but I've bought some off Amazon and then I've got these off Temu, and again they're really, really flimsy. I don't know what's going on with these swatch sticks at the minute. So these rings are to put your swatch sticks on. You do get one of the big rings with it anyway. Again, so this is a pack of, I want to say 40, might be 50. I will tell you in the bottom left hand corner of the screen anyway, guys, how many is in that pack. That'll keep me going for a while. I was getting really low on swatch sticks, so I really needed them. Oh, we got some more rings. These are really cool. How cute are they? I'm hoping you're going to be able to see them on my black gloves. Look at this one here. And this one. I love these. They're really, really pretty, aren't they? A couple of them are just plain like these 3 here. Quite like that rope one, actually, for being a plain one. But I just wanted to get some different coloured rings. you know, to match whatever design I'm doing. Oh, we got some stickers. These are cute. I love the tartan print reindeers. They're well cute. Oh, look at the little love heart. I likes them. Got a stamping plate. Are you going to be able to see that? Probably not. Let me take it out of the pack. Right, I'm going to try not to blind you guys. So these are all Christmas images. Really pretty one. I need to do stamping so much more because when I have done it, I've really enjoyed it. We've got some 5D stickers. So this is a pack of 3. We've got these ones. Oh, I love the little gingerbread men. They're adorable. Little reindeer, he's cute. Oh, I really like them. We've got this one. Oh, look at a little penguin. Little Santa. They're really pretty as well. Santa and Rudolph. Then we've got these ones. These are more like cutesy ones. I do like this though. That's smart. So we've got those. We've got, what is it? Oh, this is a gel polish mould. Let me take it out of the pack. So you pop your gel polish on whatever design that you want. You scrape the excess off, pop it in the lamp to cure it, and then it leaves the design. I thought that was a really cute one. I like the little hats. So they're for doing like 3D designs with. Cute. We've got another stamping plate. I think this is a Christmas one as well. Oh, there's some really cute images on that as well. Look at those. Really, really cute. Love them. So this one is a Finger Angel MC09. What was this other one? I don't think this had a name on it, did it? JinSe YO19, that one is. The one that I showed you earlier. Right, what we got left? So we've got, this is a thermal powder. So they've got all different colours of these. I just wanted to try one for now, just to see what it's like. So it's red and it goes to, I don't know whether it goes to a clear or a pink. A really light pink, I'm not sure. I'm going to put it in the lamp to see if it heats it up in there. No, that's not heating it up enough. I'm going to have to boil the kettle, I think. What I'll do is, guys, I'll show you a picture on the screen now of what it looks like when it goes over a certain temperature. And we'll see what colour it goes. I've got a feeling it goes to like a colourless, but I don't think it goes completely clear. I think it just goes to a really light pink. But I want to try that. I want to add that to a little bit of base coat or something. I've got a couple of designs in mind that I want to do with that. Really cool idea I've got for that, actually. Next up, we have... Oh, I'm well excited for these. Well excited for these, guys. So, these are mini sanding bands. Look at those. They are tiddy. You also get the mandrel bit as well. Look how small that is. Have I got any sanding bands to hand that I can show you next to it? I don't think I have. 1 second, guys. Let me try and find one that I can show you. So I haven't got no sanding bands to hand, but I have got a normal size mandrel bit. So look at the difference to those. And then you can kind of see how much smaller these are. These are going to be great. Getting into... So you slide that on there like that. So yeah, I think these are going to be great, you know, for getting into that little cuticle area, down your side walls. They're also going to be great for going underneath the nail as well. I don't use sanding bands that often, but I can see me using these quite a lot. I can't get it back off. So the purple ones are 240 grit and the yellow ones are 150 grit. They do have different ones available, different colours and different grits. Can't wait to give them a try. I'm going to be doing my nails this week, guys, so I'll definitely be using those in that video. Right, we're down to the last couple of items now, guys. Now these two items are the same but different colour. So we've got some gold charms and we've got some silver charms. Look at the gold ones first, shall we? Oh, these are pretty. Now, I did see Aggie show these charms and she was saying how they're charms that should have crystals in them, but they've not got the crystals in, which I quite like because you can just put your own crystals on them, which I quite like. So depending on whatever colour design you're doing, you can just put the matching coloured crystals on them. So I quite like that, actually. I mean, some of them you could get away with not having crystals on anyway. They're all really curved as well. That's one thing that I do like. Yeah, quite a few of these I would actually not bother putting crystals on. Again, look how shiny they are. They're really, really good quality. But if you see, for instance, this reindeer head, that should have a crystal there. It's even got the little claws that go around the crystal. Not sure if you're going to be able to see that or not. Can you see the little claw that goes around the crystal? So that should have a teardrop shaped crystal in there. So I could put my own in there, it's not an issue. But yeah, a lot of them like these, I don't think I'd have crystals small enough to put in ones like these. But I don't think it looks bad without the crystals, you know. Yeah, I like them. They're really pretty. Really pretty. So we've got those gold ones. And then we've got these silver ones. Again, really nice quality. Beautiful silver colour. I don't think I would bother putting crystals in a lot of them, to be honest. Like these candy canes here, they should have a little crystal either side of the candy cane. Yeah, I like them. I really like the snowflakes. That's pretty. I like that. Gorgeous, this snowflake, isn't it? I mean, with this here, say if I'm doing a blue design, I could just stick a blue crystal in the middle of that and it would match the design perfect. But yeah, I'm not mad about them because I like that I can get them to match my design. And that is everything, guys. I'm going to leave all the links to all of these products in my description box below. So if there's anything that you've seen me show today, just click the link and it will take you straight on over to the product. Delivery was super fast. I've had, I think I've had about 5 orders from Temu now and they've all arrived in less than 8 days. I think this one took 8 days to arrive, but all the rest of my orders have arrived in less than 8 days. So it is super fast shipping. Do bear in mind though, it is Christmas, so it might take a little bit longer than normal for things to arrive. But yeah, 8 days this arrived in, so it's not bad. And I'm in the UK, so yeah, I don't think that's bad, 8 days around Christmas time. I'm just trying to choose my favourite item of today, and I'm really, really struggling. I'm dying to use these, but I wouldn't say they're my favourite item. I think probably my favourite item is probably this stamping plate, you know, because it is really, really cute. I don't know, I do quite like these stickers as well. It's a toss-up between these stickers or the stamping plate. One of the two, I'm not sure though. What's your favourite item of today, guys? Let me know in the comments. Oh, I forgot these as well. Forgot about the rings. We got those. We got those. And we got that as well. Completely forgot about those. So yeah, that's everything for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.